Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Microsoft Teams account. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the Chrome option from here, and once you're in the Chrome option you have to search for the Microsoft Teams, and once you click on the Microsoft Teams it will get loaded and you have to choose the first option from here, and once you are in the first option you will see this page. Then you can easily download the application directly from here, or you can easily use the web as well. So for example, I'd like to sign in, then here you can see the Microsoft Teams is getting loaded according to your internet speed, and you can also download it by this time. We can also download the Microsoft Teams from here. Also, here is the pricing of the main pricing of the Microsoft Teams will also show here, and by this time here you can see the Microsoft Teams is already getting loaded. So we are showing the Microsoft pricing by this time. So it's getting loaded. Actually it depends on your internet speed, and here you can see that the option of sign into your account is showing here, and after that it will take to continue. Here you can see that it will just go through the account. Then if you click on the skip for now, if you have already a account in your computer, then it will automatically identify that account and make sure that the account is already here. So if you don't have any account, you will simply get the option of sign in from here, and if you click on the sign up, you can easily just input your email address and other things like passwords, and it will simply create a Microsoft account. Since I have already Microsoft account, it's just simply scan the Microsoft account from my device and just placed it. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.